Hiya crafty people, in this video I'm going to show you how I made this really cheerful birthday card. I've gone ahead and cut a selection of these die cuts to make this wee card. Now this is called Sunday Drive and it's an old one, so I'm not sure if you'll still be able to get it, but I know there is a card one out which is more faced from the front, so I think it's maybe called, but I'd be telling a lie. Anyway, I think there is another card one if you can't get this. And then also Holiday Haul. Now I know it's not a Christmas card, but I really wanted to use needed presents, so I've got the presents and the bow and the lid, so I used that as well. Now I think we'll start putting the card together. Now where's the wee picture? Hopefully this will keep us right. Now I've also gone ahead and cut out a panel that's 4 inches by 5 1/4, and then we've got the A2 size card base, which is 5 1/2 by 4 1/4, or the full thing 8 1/2 by 5 1/2 and scored at 4 1/4. Now I think first of all we might do some sort of embossing. Now what could we use? Let me have a look. Now I've got a few different ones. I did get a new one a wee while ago. Let me see what we've got. So we've got a knitted one that wouldn't suit, that one wouldn't suit. We've used the brick, the dotty one, water droplets. I've got this floral one. Do you know something? I'm going to go with this texture. I really like that. So that's called Cubes and that's from Lisa Horton Crafts. I love her embossing folders. And this should totally fit in, so that'll be really good. Just pop it in there. Right, do I see? Ta-da! Look at that. What a gorgeous pattern. I don't even think I'm going to add any colour to this. I really like it because it almost has a different tone with it being embossed. Really loving that. And that's the Cubes embossing folder. Right, so I think we'll start trying to put all the wee bits together now. Now we'll give the card a little bit of bulk. Let's hope the glue's not clogged again. Never fails, does it? Oh! Cat hair. Don't want that. And then I've made sure to stick this wee boot down as well. So there we go. Be able to tuck wee presents in there hopefully. It's looking like the wee windscreen goes behind. Now again, I think we'll just give it a wee bit bulk again. Now the reason I'm doing this is because, as I said, this is for my daughter, Gracie. It's her birthday tomorrow and she's taking driving lessons at the moment and she is desperate for a pink car. Don't know if she'll end up with a pink car. I wanted a pink car and I didn't get it, but that's what she's after. Oh, it's so cute. Right. Now, we've got this part, which I think goes here. Right, and then I've done a paler pink bit for behind, for this wee bit right here. Hoping I'm putting it in the right order. Now I've also cut out this the birthday, and I think adding a wee bit of sort of aqua kind of colour would be quite nice. I don't think Gracie wants that as her car, but never mind. Far too much glue. Right, what now? We'll put the wee rack on now. I've done that in gold. So I only want glue on these wee posts. I don't want them on the long bits because I'd like to tuck things in there, hopefully. Oh goodness. Honestly, this glue either clogs or it comes out flowing far too hard. Right. And there. That's looking good. And we've got glue all over the tweezers. Wee windscreen. And we'll put the steering wheel at the right since we're in Scotland. That's so cute. I'm glad we went for that colour. And now I'll put this on. Now see if I've done on any of this in the wrong sequence. I'm going to be so annoyed. What about some wheels? Now I do think the wheels will be black. Now I'm not always the best at placing wheels on. Yeah. Honestly, if there's a way to put it on squint, I'll find it. There we go. I should probably let it dry a wee bit, but oh my goodness, it's looking so cute. I'm loving it. Right, have we missed anything? Yep, we need to put the wee mirrors on. Ugh, stuck. Does anyone else get in these messes? Let me know. Or if it's just me. Put it down fairly low. Oh, they're really footery, these wee bits. Oh, far too much. A good job this is for Grace. She won't complain. I'm really sorry about that shadow, it's really bad. I cut out the windscreen again just so I could get this wee bit in the middle. Well, I take it it's meant to be a wee mirror. Oh my goodness, this glue. Oozy Susie the day. There. Right, so we'll get some presents done now, I think. So much glue for a tiny wee bit. That's that. There we go. Right, these presents are too footery, so this is the best that they're getting. Once it's all together, it'll be fine. I'm not stressing it. No way. It's only a card. And I know that the recipient's going to be so happy. We'll start putting these bits and pieces in. Now, we can also put bits in the boot. So I think we'll maybe have a white one sort of falling out the boot. Let's go that way, won't it? Because I'll need to stick to the boot. Now will this one fit? It should do. I didn't glue that down, did I? We'll tuck another wee one down there. Nice gold one. That's looking so nice. I love it. Now do we maybe put another one up there? Oh, we'll put that in the boot. Well, this is it turning into a lot of fun now. What about this one? We'll tuck another wee one in there. Oh, I'm loving this. It's so nice. Can't hardly really see the steering wheel, but who cares? What do you think? Right, so will we do the balloons now? Now I'm thinking we maybe back all the balloons with the different colours that we've got in the car. So we could do white, mint and pink. Or maybe the two kinds of pink actually. I think that might be really good. Right, let's go. Glue's behaving a little bit better now. Now you could inlay these if you wanted to, but I'm afraid I'm one of these people, I don't really have patience for that sort of stuff. I wish I did. Some people find it very therapeutic, but it's really not for me, I'm afraid. I'll put the wee random white one here. That went a wee bit better, that one. There, that's looking fab. So I'm going to put the panel on now. I'm just going to glue it down, I think. Now, which side's better? I think they're both the same. I think she's going to love this card. Now I'm thinking I'm just going to use a pen to do wee squiggly lines for the balloons. If I can find a half decent one. I've got gold. Would that work? Although it's a gel pen, we'll see that work in 1 second and not the next. Now I think it'll be alright. I might place the balloons first and see. That's looking good. I'm going to glue that down. I quite like that A just over, sort of canted to the side a little bit. Right, and then wish me luck for these wee squiggles. I think we'll do it coming from the present almost, so say that's there. There. I was actually going to use my little spinners from Spellbinders, but I don't think I'm going to bother with it being a car. I just don't feel like that's very appropriate, especially when Grace hasn't even got her driving license yet. Don't want one looking like it's spinning. So I think we'll just stick it on. Probably just use glue. Right, what are we thinking? Do you like it? I am really liking this, and I think Grace is going to absolutely love it, especially since she's after a pink car. I mean, she actually quite likes the wee Fiat 500s that have that sort of colour as well, but I think she's really going to like this. I'm happy with it. I'm happy to give her it. I really hope you've enjoyed this wee card making video. I've really enjoyed sharing this card with you, and hopefully you'll join me in the next one. If you could, please maybe subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, and if you could even like leave a wee thumbs up or a little comment, just something that lets YouTube know that you've enjoyed this video. Now, I'm really sorry, I know the lighting's not been great today. The sun's, my desk's right at the window and the sun's really shining in, so I've tried to cancel out most of that, so I hope it doesn't look too dark on the desk for you. Hopefully we'll get these wee teeth and troubles ironed out and things like that. But anyway, until the next one, bye for now. Before you go, I've actually just realised I hadn't put the bumper on, so I've managed to lift the boot a little bit and put the bumper on, so that's looking a lot better. Gives it that extra wee bit of shine and glimmer. Anyway, bye bye.